Hi, we're a couple of travellers.
Come join us on our adventures. Hey!
Sailing on the San Blas Islands. There was one point where there were dolphins riding along with our boat. It was such an incredible experience and we met some really awesome people, so it led for a big party and lots of fun. We're now here in Panama City, which I knew was built up, but wow, I didn't quite expect it to be this much. It's really modern as well. There's not an awful lot to do here. We just went to have some ceviche at the fish market, and obviously the most famous thing is the Panama Canal. We headed over to the Panama Canal yesterday and it was actually really cool. The nerdy side of me came out.
So I've always wondered how James Bond transports his Aston Martins around the world and his gadgets. I think I've come up with the answer.
We watched the ships kind of going higher and lower and through the locks. What surprised me the most was just how much it costs to go through the locks. The commercial ships pay anything between $500,000 US and $800,000 US, but it's still cheaper than going all the way around down South America. I suppose that's why it's known as the world's greatest shortcut, because it really is. It links the Atlantic Ocean to the Pacific Ocean, and it takes, for the larger ships, normally takes about 10 hours to get through all the way through the canal.
So an early morning start for us today. We've already taken an 11-hour bus and also a water taxi. We've arrived in Bocas town. Still the journey's not quite done. We've got one more boat before we arrive at our destination. What's the island called? Anyone know? No idea. Fucking hell. You don't normally see this on your way to your hostel, do you? See Caimans regularly on your tours to hostels?
Yeah, we have them in Holland, like everywhere.
He wants his dinner. Oh, hey, there you go. So these Caimans, you chuck anything into the water and they just come up to the surface and bite it. It's not any meat, just leaves, but it teases them out. On this tasty leaf. Whoa. He's a ripper. He's just like looking at me. He's like, I'm gonna take you down. You don't normally see every day the police feeding crocodiles on their lunch break. This place is bananas. It's moving fast. Dun, dun. Dun, dun. It's coming for you, Jelle. He's waiting for you to fall in, mate. Any moment. Welcome to Isla Bastimentos, an island off Bocas del Toros. Let's go explore! We've spotted our first wildlife on our walk. Who's this monkey? I was expecting something a little bit more exotic, and not from Holland either. I reckon I could do this all day and not nail it once. This is getting tiring. Look how impressed he is. Did you do well? Go on, Jelle. One more time for your fans. Come on, this time you can do it, I'm sure. Speed is the key. Yeah? Oh! This slacklining is a dangerous game, eh, Jelle? Let's have a look. Ouch. Oh man, you're so hard. You're rock solid, mate. You're rock solid.
So Andy, what do you think of slacklining?
I don't like it.
Why don't you like it?
When we weren't recording and I went for my last attempt, I sort of hit the line, span, bruised all my side.
Ouch.
This is what happens when you're an amateur trying to do stuff like this. Another day, another country. So we're just currently crossing this bridge that you can see behind me into Costa Rica. So first we have to go to San Jose. We're not really wanting to stay any time there as it's just a busy capital city. And then we're heading straight to Monteverde and the Cloud Forests. You want a booster? This is true love.
Woo! Yay!
This is a lot steeper than it looks like on camera.
Woo! Taxi! We're in Monteverde. We're going to see a tree. Apparently, all this hiking up hill is going to be worth it because it's an unusual tree. There's something unique about it. We'll find out when we get there.
Okay, this is the Fiscus tree. I've never seen anything like this in my life. I really don't like heights. Yeah, I still seem to be climbing. This is cool. Whoa. Yeah. Tight squeeze?
Yeah. I don't think I'll fit in it.
This is right at the top. As you can see, it's getting a lot thinner. I'll try and get to the top, but it's going to be a tight squeeze. Made it! Look at this for a view. Jelle's he's pushing through. There's Jelle. You can do it.
Cool.
Yeah.
This is nice.
I don't like looking down. Come and have a look.
Okay.
Well, welcome to Costa Rica, eh? Hugging a tree for dear life because I'm terrified of heights. Can't wait for the ziplining tomorrow. I mean, I've got this far going this way. That was really cool.
How was it?
It's terrifying. When you're scared of heights, you don't climb up a giant tree like that.
Oh, you do.
I don't think the footage up there did it how justice how tall it
How
was.
high do you think it is?
30-40 meters maybe.
Yeah.
Which again sounds pretty pathetic, but
Try it. Small weight.
it's cool. It's really cool. So you want to see tarantulas? You want to see tarantulas? You're shaking your head no. You want to see them? No fear?
No snakes.
No snakes.
Tarantulas, sloths and sloths. Yeah.
This is like a day of me conquering fears. So I've already had to climb up a bloody high tree, and I don't like heights. And now I really don't like spiders.
What else are you afraid of?
I don't want to tell you because we might end up doing it tonight.
Quesadillas.
I'm not scared of quesadillas. That's one thing I'm not scared of. Quesadillas would be great. Let's do that.
Let's go.
We found our first creature in the jungle. It's the black tarantula.
Oh my god, and we didn't even leave the car park.
Alright, where are we gonna go?
Oh, Jelle. Oh, you look terrifying there. That's quite effective. Steph? Oh, you don't need it. You're terrifying enough.
Today we're doing our last activity in Costa Rica. We've zipped through Panama and Costa Rica really because they are actually really expensive. The accommodation isn't too bad, but trips, food, all about double compared to the rest of Central America. So yeah, it's been a short few stops. We're going to finish off today with hopefully what will be a big highlight. It's ziplining. It's the biggest zip line in Latin America. It's $50 for the day, $50 US, so it's not too bad, and hopefully it's a lot of fun.
Hello. Oh. So already, just at the entrance for this extreme zip lining, I've seen more wildlife in 1 second than I did in about 5 hours at the Cloud Forest yesterday.
How cool are these little guys?
They make me nervous because I've heard news on the grapevine that the yellow one bites quite a bit. He's already gone for you a couple of times. Maybe he's alright. Nope. That's it. Signed your life away now.
Yeah. If I die, you ain't claiming nothing.
Yeah, 3, 2, 1, out! Like every one of my pictures is going to be me with my tongue out. Nailed it!
What do you think of couple ziplining, hey?
Yeah, quite terrifying. Like that was the longest zip line I think I've ever done, but I think we've got one even longer to come. So, yeah.
Okay, let's go. Have fun.
Whoa, that was a bumpy landing. You're coming in fast on that one.
The groins are taking motion today.
Hola.
Ciao.
Don't leave me
Ciao.
like
Enderezar un guante izquierdo. ¿Sí? No. Pequeño, ¿dónde está el agosto?
You're safe. You're safe. Bye. Andy, I'm scared. Too late, she was gone. You're very brave there, with all that screaming. Tarzan swing done. Time to be superheroes. I'm the Superman. This is it, Steph. This is the moment.
This one is a kilometre long. You do it like Superman, and look how high we are.
Guys, someone of you, right?
My turn.
Last one. Uno más. And it's through a tunnel. Oh.
Hello everyone. Come on a ride with us.